Hi everyone, so today we're going to be trying out a new hydrofacial machine, and here we are going to unbox it. You know, I like to go through every little piece that it comes with and kind of explain what it is. And let me tell you that this is probably one of my favorite machines I have received so far, and I will show you exactly why. But first thing I'm pulling out here is the oxygen sprayer. And this thing, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, this is nice quality. I could literally see it. I don't know, you could just tell by looking at something that it's going to be sturdy and nice. So definitely, yes, I like that. And these were just the little brackets that are going to be installed in the sides of the machine to hold your oxygen sprayer and the hydrofacial handle here. And I really love this. It's nice and sturdy, and even the cord is nice and thick, and just all around just feels like luxurious. So I really love that as well. Here I'm just these are just the tips that it comes with. So it came with some silicone tips, and as long as with just some clear plastic tips, which both feel really nice quality as well. And then you also get this little tool here to help you install those brackets on the side of the machine. And here we have the power cord as well as the cord for the oxygen sprayer. And again, both of these just really nice and thick and sturdy. Then we have the waste liquid container, the clean water container, and your A bottle container. And these next two will be your, I believe, your B bottle and C bottle containers. In this next clip, my husband is actually helping me unwrap the machine, and he had helped me put it on this little rolling cart thing because she is a little heavy, but it's okay because we like quality here. And this user manual, of course, it was included, so make sure you read that. And here she is, all installed and put together, and I really love the way it looks. It looks so professional, so just sleek. I don't know, it just looks nice. It looks professional. It's the best way I can describe it. And then here I'm going to show you the buttons. So when you click them, something I really loved was that you see that little light towards the bottom of the containers that light up just to show you which container you're on. I really love that feature of this machine. And then there you can see that it has the timer. Obviously, I think it goes up to 30 minutes, which is great because that's plenty of time. On the side of the machine, you'll see the intensity of the suction as well as the intensity of the water flow. And these are the liquid solutions that I'll be using today. I typically use the Aquilina serums on my clients, or as well as these. But for today's video purposes, we'll be using these solutions. If you're interested in these solutions or just want to know more, I do believe that they are running a promotion as of right now until the 14th of this month, where if you purchase this machine, they will send you an aqua peeling solution along with it. And then of course we have to select which tip we want to use today. Like I said, this machine, it did come with silicone tips as well as clear plastic tips. And if you aren't sure what these tips do and what they're used for, don't worry, because in the user manual it will list it all out for you on how to use them, or not really how to use them, but what they're used for. So today I'm going to use myself as a model because I really needed some facial care anyways. I've been pregnant and haven't been really the best at my skincare in the last months. As you can see right under my chin, I'm very crusty, and so let's hope that we can rehydrate my skin and give me some much needed hydration and cleanse. I also just wanted to show a little bit of like what the suction and water flow looks like. So here you can see it has great suction and water flow. And of course, I'm going to test it out on myself. I'm going to do a couple passes all around my face. Now I'm going to be testing out the oxygen sprayer, and I'll be using the Cucumber Hydration Toner by SkinScript. And if you know, you know, this toner is just so hydrating and it smells amazing, so make sure you try it out, test it on your clients. They're going to love it. And of course, here are my after results from using it. Skin's looking much more hydrated, cleansed, and I'm not crusty anymore. And this video would not be complete without me showing you all the gunk that it removed from my face. On these tips, you can see the buildup of gunk on the rims. Here's the larger one, and here's the smaller tip that I used. And also, you can see all the little nasty gunk floating around in the water waste jar right here. So I'm just so glad all that is off my face now. One last feature that I want to talk about of this machine is that it does have a self-cleansing button, which I really love. So this little hydrofacial handle, of course you don't want to get it clogged, so it goes ahead and takes care of that with just a push of a button. You can see right here this little clean button, and it'll automatically begin to cleanse that handle out for you. So yeah, I definitely totally recommend this machine. I'm in love with it. I can't wait to use it more often. I think it's great if you're not into the previous 6-in-1 hydrofacial machine that I posted. Sometimes maybe we just don't want to use all the modalities that the other one came with, and you just want to focus on a good hydrofacial machine and something that looks maybe a little bit more elevated for your treatment room. Then this is definitely perfect. If you are interested in this machine and know you're definitely going to purchase, make sure to use my code Karen45 so you can save you some coins. And if there are any other machines or products that you are just curious about and would like me to test out for you, please just let me know in the comments and I will do my best to do so. Bye guys.